Hey guys, so not too long ago I did a comparison video between this Kyosho and TLV Ferrari Daytona 365, and the reason why I really bought this Kyosho is because I wanted to make a Miami Vice version. So here's a picture of the Miami Vice car. This is when it still had a, well, first of all, the Miami Vice cars were actually kit cars. They weren't real Ferraris. They were built on Corvette chassis and stuff like that. So it's not a real Ferrari, but still, it looked cool. You know, I watched it when I was a kid, this TV show. This, I believe, over here is a real Ferrari with Borrani wheels, these wire wheels. So, I 3D printed out my own. The original Kyosho wheels, by the way, there were these 5 spokes, and they're okay. They are accurate to other Daytonas, but again, I want to go Miami Vice style. So yeah, I 3D printed these things up, and originally I wanted to have them hollow, of course. And although I can model it, 3D printing technology doesn't really want to let it happen. My resin printer would have to have a bunch of support material. Actually, I probably could have printed it, but I know some people want to buy these wheel sets. So on shapeways.com, they have a certain limitation. They won't allow a file to have such thin spokes with air passing between it. So basically I had to block off the wheel in order to allow you guys to buy these wheel sets if you really want them. But if you look closely, there still is a lot of depth between these spokes. So there's just no light passing all the way through. So sorry. Anyways, it uses the original axles from Kyosho and also the original tires from Kyosho. So basically you just gotta unscrew the thing, pull off the original wheels, and then just pop these wheels on. But you gotta paint these things. I used a Molotow chrome pen to get this chrome finish. Now, of course, you could maybe airbrush it silver or even regular paintbrush it silver. Okay, I also lowered the car, so I filed down the interior black plastic a little bit so the axle rides up higher, and so that the tires can press against the wheel wells, right? Give it that lowered look. I also added a little silver paint here to the exhaust tips. And then I spray painted the interior tan because that's what it looks like on the real cars. And then a little silver on the steering wheel, yellow there, chrome there, a little chrome on the HVAC, and a little silver on the door handle there. So, and a little black, I think that might be a mesh net or a speaker. So that's it for the mods, and I'm pretty happy now. It's Miami Vice style, right? And then oddly, I didn't realize this in my first comparison, but Kyosho right here, boy, I'm not sure if I can even show it properly, but there are headlights indicated. It's so dark. Maybe if I hold it here. Hopefully you can see there's indication of headlights right there. If I look at the photo here, you see on this Ferrari, you can see a little bit of the headlights poking or peeping through above the chrome bumper. And Kyosho actually got that into their model. There, you can see it now, right? A little silver paint, indicating these headlights. So that's a really cool attention to detail. Whereas in TLV, I don't know, they don't have any of that. There's no indication of headlights right there. It's just a tight gap. So it's really, I'm ragging on TLV again, but this is not an accurate model. There's no gap there above the bumper where those headlights should be. And also the wheels are undersized, I think. They're very small. The Kyosho wheels are much bigger diameter, right? So the sidewalls of these tires look off-road. This looks like a Baja racer kind of car, not a Ferrari from this era. So anyways, that's what's going on. Alright, so, well, I guess you'll need to see these spin again, but yeah, why not? Anyways, a quick video, just do an update there, and yeah, I appreciate you guys watching. Take care.